Chef Gordon Ramsay adds his personal touch to everything he cooks. Take these pancakes for instance. If not for him, I wouldn't have known that coconut can act as a game changer in pancakes. If you still haven't tasted this heavenly delicacy, try it with me. For these coconut pancakes with lime syrup, you would require
1 cup of flour, half cup of coconut powder, half cup of caster sugar, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of runny honey, 1 single egg, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, lemon juice and lemon zest, 2 cubes of butter, coconut milk.
Once the sugar dissolves, add lime juice to the pan and let it all simmer for about 10 minutes until it reaches the usual syrupy consistency. Coming to the pancake batter, in a bowl, take a plain flour, desiccated coconut, baking powder, eggs and add coconut milk to the bowl and whisk it all together to get your pancakes batter. Add some honey to the batter to give it a sweet taste. Heat butter in a pan and spread it all over the pan. Pour the batter into the pan as per size of pancakes you want. Let it cook until it's golden, then flip it and wait the other sides turn golden too. Plate the pancakes with lime syrup and add mangoes as a topping or side. Once you try this coconut pancakes, you wouldn't want to switch back to the regular pancakes. Try this and let me know what twist you add to the pancakes in the comments below. Thanks for watching.